What is it?
Right here.
Don't go in the street, buddy. What do you see?
It's that.
What is it?
UPS truck.
A UPS truck?
Yeah.
He's so smart.
Yeah. It's gonna bring. What's it gonna bring for us?
I don't think it has anything for us.
Maybe come for and sweet.
Maybe it's for a neighbor.
Huh?
Maybe he's bringing something to one of our neighbors. Oh. Oh well.
For Keller and Sylvie.
Oh, he's got to bring something for Keller and Sylvie?
Yeah.
Okay, well, maybe I'll order something tonight so that he'll bring something. Because it's so cute. Say bye-bye to the UPS truck.
Bye-bye, UPS truck. I see you tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow he'll have something for you.
Look, the school bus is going by.
Who's in the school bus?
Casey.
Maybe Casey's in the school bus.
Yeah.
Do you love her?
Yeah.
Who's Casey?
Michelle.
Is she your friend?
Yeah.
It's Michelle's little girl?
Yeah.
It's Michelle's daughter?
Yeah.
Yeah, is Casey your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Can you say Casey's my girlfriend?
Casey's my girlfriend.
Yeah.
I know. Look, bye-bye.
That was fun, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. And here comes Sylvie walking down the driveway. Hi, Sylvie.
Sylvie, what's out the street? Don't go in the street. Stop. Go. You're not going down the street. Stop. No, you're not going in the street. Not going in the street.
I won't let her go in the street. Thank you.